Here we'll show you the solutions to iPhone keeps freezing issues. Many factors cause iPhone devices to freeze constantly. It could be due to applications, storage space, hardware, and software issues. Here are a few techniques that have assisted most users in solving iPhone freezing problems. You will be able to find the best one that works for you. Tip 1. Charge your phone. Some devices will not respond well when their battery is about to deplete. Tip 2. Restart your phone. This problem can be resolved if you try restarting your device at least 2 times. However, note that it is just a temporary remedy. According to the user's feedback, the problem may come again after some time. Tip 3. Update iOS system. Installed software on your iPhone may have bugs that can cause the screen to freeze. Therefore, by updating your iPhone's version, you might be fixing the frozen screen issue. Step 1. Head to the Settings menu on your iPhone and click on General. Step 2. Choose Software Update and click on Download and Install. Tip 4. Update apps. Keeping the apps up to date is also a viable remedy for the iPhone screen keeps freezing. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone and tap the Updates option at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. If there's an update for the app, click the Update option just next to the application. If several applications have updates, click on Update All. Tip 5. Remove bad apps. If you downloaded an app on your iPhone and the device starts to freeze after a short while, there's a chance the application installed is bad. If you're experiencing such a problem, try uninstalling the application and then delete it from the device. Tip 6. Clean iPhone memory. Another cause of screen freezing is insufficient memory. A better way is to save your files to cloud storage and then delete the unnecessary ones. Also, delete the junk files on your device by opening the Settings app General iPhone Storage. Now open each app to remove data files and downloads. Tip 7. Try System Monitor tool. Installing a system monitor on your phone will help monitor various information on your device, like memory usage, cache info, system logs, and much more. This way, you can discover a problematic app or settings causing the device to freeze. Tip 8. Turn off background apps refresh feature. This is a feature that allows applications to update content from the internet, which can slow down the device. Therefore, you may try disabling this feature to solve iPhone freezing problem. Simply go to Settings and click on the General option, then disable the background app refresh. Tip 9. Perform DFU restore. You can try DFU restore if the problem persists. Step 1. Link the iPhone to PC, open iTunes, then allow it to recognize the device. Step 2. Now press the Home and Power buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Release the Power button and continue pressing the Home button. Step 3. iTunes will detect your iPhone in recovery mode and be notified with a message. Step 4. Now release the Home key.